So you use Claude Code every day, but do you know what's actually happening under the hood? Today we're going to find out, layer by layer. This is Claude Code X-ray, a comprehensive reverse engineering project analyzing over 800,000 lines of Claude Code source code, over 2,000 source files, 46 tool implementations. Why does this matter? Understanding unlocks incredible possibilities. You can build your own AI coding assistants, extend and customize Claude Code, understand its limitations and work around them, and contribute with confidence. Let's start with the big picture. Claude Code isn't just a simple API wrapper. It's a sophisticated agent orchestration system built in 5 distinct layers. Layer 1, CLI commands. This is the interface where it all starts. It handles command line arguments, launches the interactive REPL, and routes to over 100 commands like /edit, /commit, and /bug. Layer 2, bridge and session management. This is the orchestrator. It manages remote sessions, connecting to cloud-hosted Claude Code. It handles permission state machines, multi-agent coordination, and JWT token authentication. Layer 3, the query engine. This is the brain. It builds conversation context, sends requests to the Claude API, handles streaming responses, and manages the message history. It triggers context compaction when approaching limits. Layer 4, the tool system. These are the hands. Over 46 tools including file operations, shell execution, web search, sub-agent spawning, and MCP server integration. Now let's look at how tool execution actually works. When Claude wants to do something, here's the pipeline. First, permission check. Is this dangerous? If so, pause and ask the user. Second, concurrency partitioning. Read-only tools run in parallel. Stateful tools run serially. Third, speculative execution with progress streaming. And fourth, results returned and added to messages. Layer 5, state and rendering. The nervous system, built with React but renders to ANSI codes instead of HTML. They built a custom reconciler that outputs text instead of DOM nodes. Over 88 React hooks power the terminal UI. Another clever trick, context management. Claude Code doesn't just truncate conversations when it runs out of space. It intelligently compacts them, summarizes older messages, preserves recent context, loads project memory from .claude files, and knows your Git status at all times. Let me show you some of the cleverest tricks I found. Prefetch optimization. Before startup even begins, Claude Code reads files it knows it will need. Makes startup feel instant. Dead code elimination using bun feature flags removes unused code at bundle time. React without DOM. A custom reconciler outputs ANSI instead of HTML. And async generators everywhere. Nothing buffers. Everything streams. Here's even more clever design. Concurrency partitioning. Read-only tools run in parallel for speed. State-changing tools run serially to avoid conflicts. Permission state machines enforce transitions from unconfirmed to approved or denied. Capacity wake lets background tasks use resources efficiently, and dynamic MCP wrapping discovers and wraps tools at runtime automatically. So that's Claude Code. Not just a chatbot, but a sophisticated agent system with 5 distinct architectural layers, 46 plus tools with intelligent orchestration, real-time streaming throughout, and a permission-first safety model. Ready to dive deeper? Check out the README for the complete guide. Explore the 8 sections from beginner to expert, and read the rebuild guide to build your own agent. If you found this valuable, give the repo a star. Until next